In today's digital age, the opportunities for making money online are abundant. One such avenue that has gained popularity is freelance writing, specifically writing blog posts. With platforms like Upwork, writers can connect with clients from around the world and earn a decent income right from the comfort of their own homes. However, writing a well-organized and informative blog post is not so easy. You have to do a lot of research and then compile all the data to make your article informative. It takes a long time and effort. After coming across chatgpt, things have become easier. Now, artificial intelligence is doing research on your behalf, but you have to customize chatgpt's research to create a good article. Today, I will introduce an awesome AI co-pilot that is much better than chatgpt and can save you time and effort on your journey to make passive money. But before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Introducing Hix AI, an all-in-one AI writing co-pilot. It can create content in seconds. Hix has more than 120 tools and supports 50+ languages. You can craft a long-form blog post in just a single prompt. Hix can be your best email assistant. It works with every popular service provider. To get started, click on Start for free now, create an account with your email or Google account. After creating the account, you have to select your role and more. That's not very important, just select one of these. Then you will find 4 options: AI writer, long-form article, AI editor, and email writer. We will try all of these, but this time I will start with AI writer. There are a vast number of tools available here for different use cases, such as content writer, prompt generator, content summarizer, grammar check, Instagram caption. You can generate Instagram captions also in Proofreader. These are the most popular tools in the article and blog section. You will find all the tools needed for writing a well-organized blog. Previously, we had to use different tools from different platforms. Now all the tools are available on one platform. Next, you can create an ad with just one click. Almost every platform and template is available here. Now you don't need to hire any paid marketer. If you are running a business, then you can create social media posts with Hix AI. It's a true all-rounder tool. Every social media platform is available here. You can also use it as an email assistant. Furthermore, you can export your competitors' web data, such as metadata, titles, descriptions, landing page headlines, and many more. In the e-commerce section, you can create product reviews, product descriptions, and all other sections needed for an e-commerce website. That's impressive. Alright, let's test the content rewriter tool. There are so many content rewriter tools available on the internet, and most of them are just useless. Let's try it. For testing the tool, I will use a random article from the internet. After copying the article, paste it in the box, and then select a rewrite option from here. It works perfectly. Most of the rewriter tools just use some synonyms of a particular word and make the article horrible. But Hix Rewriter rewrote the article in a decent way. You can improve the content quality with this tool. Just paste the article here and then select one option. Suppose I select Innovate. After that, you can select your audience. You can also change the tone. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button, and the improved version of your article is ready. This is actually quite good. Now the article is more informative and innovative thanks to AI. Alright, let's try some other tools. Hix Editor is another amazing tool by Hix AI. It looks like a Google Docs file. The only difference is that here you can give commands by entering double slashes, and Hix AI will generate your article. You can add this tool to your Google Docs as well. I will try it later. Now let's try the Hix Editor tool. Just hit the backslash button twice on your keyboard, then select what you want to generate. For example, I am selecting poem. Now enter your subject, then hit the enter button, and your poem is ready. You can check the grammar by marking the text area and then selecting grammar check. That means you don't need to pay Grammarly for any grammar checks. Additionally, you can rewrite, summarize, translate, and explain the poem. You can generate a shorter or longer version of the poem. Okay, now let's generate a blog post with Hix. This time I will generate a post about 10 Amazon products. Let's check how factually accurate the post is. It generates some old products but corrects the facts. It may use some old data. You can easily customize the article and write your blog post with minimal effort. You can also write a YouTube video script with Hix Editor. For example, I told it to write a video script on the top 10 Amazon web series. You can notice that it generates a proper video script with visual suggestions. That's great. Alright, friends, now I will try another long-form blog post. Let's see how it works. There are some formats for long-form blog posts. You can create a general article, product roundup, single product roundup, Amazon product roundup, Amazon product review, and even a how-to article. Let's try it. It's asking for our topic, so I am entering how to create a new YouTube channel. Then enter your keyword. It will help with SEO. You can also enter up to 5 secondary keywords. For testing purposes, I am using only one random keyword. After that, you can select your voice tone. There are also some advanced options available. Now, an interesting fact, you can use GPT version 4, but it's only for paid users. Let's generate the article. Hix AI has more than 120 tools, but it's not possible to test all of them in one video. Let's try the email writing tool. There are two modes of email writing: compose and reply. I will go with compose first. Enter your recipient's name, then enter your email subject. For example, I will run a campaign for the iPhone 13. After that, in the email body, select your email purpose. Now write a short description of your mail, and your mail is ready. It's a really professional looking email. Alright, let's move to another tool. Now I will test HickChat. It's a chatbot where you can get your answers by chatting with your friendly chatbot. Now, friends, I am going to introduce another interesting feature of HicksAI. There is a Chrome extension available that you can add to any Chromium browser. Once it's installed in your Chrome browser, you can use it everywhere, on every web page, even in any search engine. Let's try it in a Google Docs file. After opening Google Docs, you can activate HicksAI by entering double slashes. Just press double slashes and then enter your command. Your work is ready. Another interesting part is that this extension works on any social media page. For example, I am creating a tweet with HicksAI. It created the tweet in a second with relevant hashtags. Now let's talk about pricing. There are 4 plans available in HicksAI: Free, Basic, Pro, and Ultimate. The prices are quite reasonable, but if you want the best output, then I suggest purchasing the Pro plan. Alright, now let's talk about your earnings. If you are a professional blog writer, you already understand the value of HicksAI. And if you don't have a blog page and want to start as a new freelance blog writer, you can earn a handsome salary from online marketplaces like Upwork. There is a huge demand for blog writer jobs on Upwork. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.